Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure chronic care management with Cigna. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring chronic care management with Cigna, access the Cigna provider portal. Log in using your provider credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the chronic care management section of the portal. Review the program details to ensure alignment with your practice's goals. Select Create New Patient to start setting up a patient for chronic care management. Enter the patient's demographic information, including name, date of birth, and contact details. Provide the relevant diagnosis codes that qualify the patient for chronic care management services. Indicate if there are any specific health issues that need to be monitored. Next, choose the types of services you plan to offer the patient during the management period. Set a start date for the chronic care management services. Once all patient information is entered, review the details for accuracy. Click on Submit to finalize the patient setup. After submission, access the patient's profile to update care plans and communication logs. Document any patient interactions or notes pertaining to their condition. Ensure to schedule follow-up calls or appointments as outlined in the care plan. Lastly, monitor the patient's progress and adjust care plans as needed. Periodically review the reports available in the portal to track your chronic care management services and related costs. That concludes the easy tutorial on configuring chronic care management with Cigna. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.